Immaculate, well-kept home with very spacious open floor plan. Less than 1 year old, this home features 3 split bedrooms and 2 full baths. Living room with tray ceiling, crown molding, framed windows and door. Stainless kitchen appliances remain. Plenty of room for a breakfast table. There is also a pantry. Formal dining or could use as an office. Tray ceiling in master bedroom, huge master walk-in closet. Door from kitchen leading to private covered patio with open deck and fire pit in back. Nice size covered front porch. 2-car garage. Community offers walking trails along creek. No city tax, less than 20-minute drive to downtown Maryville. 25-minute drive to McGhee Tyson Airport. Tellico Lake, less than 20-minute drive.